Around the back streets of old Bermondsey, look. Dickens was around here and the Ripper. And now there's me. Going to the Copperfield gallery to see some art that I think is rooted in a working class background. Sweet. It's got to be up here somewhere. Nice mural. See all the names of Dickens: Tom Sawyer, David Copperfield. This is Charlie's Manor. Come on, where's the gallery? Come on, look at that lot of old houses. Alright, where's the gallery? Let's find it. Loads of recycling and ready to walk. Look at that, there's a little touch of colour in there. It might improve. Just want that pink to get stronger. Come on, nature. Come on. Come on. Come on, quick. Come on. Quick. Come on. Right. Right, you get one each. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. No. Stop it. There. Come on. Yeah, be quick. That's it. You all got a piece now. And you, bully, stop it. That's it. There. A noisy twosome. There's a little bit of pink up there, but that ain't gonna work much. Went to the tie lock exhibition last night. It took ages to find it. I should have just checked the number. All I did was look at it's in Copperfield Street, no problem. And you think a gallery would have a good frontage so you can see it's a gallery. Anyway, I walked up and down the street twice before I then decided to check the number. Yeah, found it. Packed it was, packed. All people standing around chatting and not even like looking at the art. It's just like blocking it for other people who wanted to see it. Pricks. Anyway, I like what he's doing. He's made all these kind of suits of armour out of Poundland party plates, them silver ones that look posh, but it's just kind of silver cardboard. It looked like there's all stuff you'd at house clearance, I mean, give it a charity shop. All those old family photos in frames, all different size frames, unmatching frames. But they was all the same photo. I'm 2 episodes into a new series called Gone. I think it's on ITV. David Morrissey as the head of some posh school and his wife's gone missing. They're making him look like the main suspects. You know that ain't gonna be it. They're all coming along in twos today. I wonder if he thinks I've got a bit of a bum. Because I have. It just ain't a bowl like he's got a bowl. He wants a bit of fruit for that bowl. You're a bit noisy, mate. There's an email coming at just after 5:30 when I was getting ready to come over. She was well shocked when I responded straight away. The woman, Gillian Ayres, something to do with a Bermondsey Street residents group. Yeah, so I responded. The woman, she had been given my details by Ed Gray. She said, "Oh, I'd like to have a chat about the films you make." Because she runs this group and have a meeting once a month, and maybe they want to show it. They had Ed there talking at their last meeting, and that's how it came about. So anyway, yeah, so as soon as she's sent an email, kind of 5:30, she's got a response. So yeah. Anyway, I said, look, I'm going out for a walk there, but we'll continue. I said, I'm going to Bermondsey tonight. I can pop round to Bermondsey Street first, have a chat. So, good news yesterday. Turned up for work at Copperfield. They had a kind of a jumble sale. All on there, brand new in all its wrappings, not framed. A Martin Grover print of part of the Aylesbury estate, £5. That's it. I had that. And then Julia says, come into the cafe area, I've got something to say. Anyway, Dickens was there. And it was about when me and him a few months ago, we had to go to a council meeting up at Mount View and plead for some funding. You know, me and him sat down in front of 3 councillors, stated our case for need for money anyway. It all came through yesterday. We got £3,000. Fantastic. Yeah, that was nice. Good. It was for the writing class and the chair yoga class. Brilliant. Well, they definitely weren't too bad, were they? Right over my head and all. Yes, I'm off to see the Rod Kitson. He's kind of painted his flat in 1 square blocks. And he's having the opening tonight. It's been a bit of a secret thing. So, yeah, should be exciting. See how much of his flat is done. I've seen bits of it before. It's been going on for 5 years, 6 years. Yeah, now I think he's done most of his flat. He's going to set it up like a flat, but in 2D. Sun's just coming up behind me and hitting those buildings.